Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the 2022-2023 NABTEB examination, and we are looking at the theory part of the mathematics question. Today we are at 15C, and it's a series. For other solutions in the series, please check my channel. There are solutions that have been made available. The question says, find the mean of the distribution of the test score below. Now, we are just to look for the mean, and this is x, so this is f. So our x is the score, which is 30, 35, 40, 45, and the last is 50. So the frequency is 8, 27, 41, 15, and 9. So the next thing is to multiply the f and x. So 30 multiplied by 8, that's 240. 35 multiplied by 27, that gives 945. 40 multiplied by 41, that is 1640. 45 multiplied by 50, 675. 50 multiplied by 9, that is 450. So to find the mean, it is s bar given as x bar equals summation fx all over summation f. So we are going to calculate this, and that will be our summation f. So if we calculate this gives us 100. So if we calculate this fx, this gives 3950. So we're going to just substitute 3950 divided by 100. So our x bar, that is 39.5. So thank you very much. If for any question or any query, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much.